Hello students, today we are going to discuss internal linking. In previous part we had read external linking. You know external linking. In external linking you can connect totally different pages. But in internal linking allow us to link different section of same web page. Okay? In internal linking you will connect two section of the same web page. Href, title and name are main attribute of a tag. Href, it links the another section of the same document. So here you will mention the section name, section text which you are linking. Okay, href means hypertext reference. So here you will refer that text which you are linking. Section name you will mention here. Okay. Next is title. Title, it gives the additional information about the link. It is optional. So it is optional. Here you can give additional information. Third one is name. It specifies the place on the same page where you want the browser to jump to. So it is the place where you are jumping. Here you will give the section name, the same section name which you are giving in href. Okay. Okay, there are two steps of internal linking. In first step is used to create a link to the target section, and in second step is used to make the target section. In first step, you will give the link text, like click here, link text which you are linking, and you will give the name of the section which you are going to link, name of the section. Okay, has text, has section name. Okay, and title additional information, it is optional. Okay, it is optional, no need to give it. And in second step you will give the name of the section, same name of the section which you are mentioning in href. Okay, which you mention in href, same section you will give here. Additional information also optionally here, no need to give. Okay, clear? Now this is the structure of internal linking. This is the single document, single file. Okay, and the name is memory.html. It is a single file and the name is memory.html. In this file you can see there are total 10 pages. Okay, in first page is the home page, you know. Okay, in first page you can see there are two links, volatile memory, virtual memory. Okay, and this is the fifth page, volatile memory, and this is the 10th page, virtual memory. If you click on volatile memory, if you want to see the information about the volatile memory, you will click on volatile memory. So just as you click on volatile memory you will jump to fifth page. Okay, and when you click on virtual memory you will jump to virtual memory, means 10th page you will jump, but you will remain in same page. Okay, so this is internal linking, you are not jumping to other page because this is the same page. Okay, in same page you are jumping. This is the different section. fifth fifth page is the different section of the same document, and 10th page is the different section of the same document. Okay, you are not going out, you will remain in same document, same file. Okay, memory.html. So now we start making web page. First we see the format of web page. This is the format of web page. Okay, in this format you can see there are 10 pages. In first page is the home page, and this is the fifth page, volatile memory, and this is the 10th page. And between 1 and 5th page you can write anything, and between 5 and 10th page you can write anything, but you will create coding for this and this only. Okay, so now we open notepad because it takes lot of time. I have already made it. So you can see at the top html head, body, we are taking bg color, light green. Okay, now types of memory, this is the heading of the page. Types of memory we are taking in h1 tag, it is the largest heading. Next is contents, same we are taking in h1 heading, it is largest heading. Next is volatile memory, so this is the link part. Okay, okay, so this volatile memory is this volatile memory, you can see this. So we are linking this part with the volatile section. Okay, so we are linking volatile memory with this section. Okay, Where is this section? You can see downward volatile. This is volatile. Okay. We have linked volatile memory with this section. If you click on volatile memory, so you will jump this section. Okay. So you will mention this volatile with the attribute name attribute. You will mention here name. This is the second step of A tag. This is the first step of A tag. And this is the first step. In first step, you will write href and section name. Href and section name. And you will write the linked text which you are linking. Okay. Additional information title you can give. It is optional or not. It is optional. It is up to you. Okay. But the main thing is linked text which you are giving and the section name where you are jumping. Okay. In first step you will mention href and section name, and in second step you will give the A tag and attribute will be name, and volatile you will give the same name which you are giving in href, volatile. Okay. Here is volatile and here is volatile also. Okay. Same name, because this is the section name. So if you click on this, you will jump to this part you will jump to. Okay. If you can see here, if you click on volatile, you will jump to fifth page, volatile memory, this part. If you click on virtual memory, you will jump to this part, this section. Okay. Clear? In the same way, this is the second heading is given. If you click on virtual memory, you will jump to virtual part. Where is virtual part? Virtual section. You can see downward. This is the virtual section. Okay. So here you will give the name attribute, name virtual. Same name you will give which you are giving in href. Same virtual. Here is virtual, and at the top you can see this is virtual. Okay. This is the name of the section. You will use hash before section name. Okay. But here in name you will not mention hash. You will not write hash. Name virtual. So this is the virtual section. Clear? Okay. And at the middle you can write anything between. Okay. Main thing is first page, fifth page and 10th page. So you are giving coding for first page, fifth page and 10th. And between 1 to 5th you can write anything. Okay. And between 5 to 10 you can write anything, no problem. Clear? Okay. So now we save this program and execute it in web browser. So now we save it, save as. Okay, I am giving volume 111.html. Okay, clear? You will apply .html because HTML if you don't mention HTML, so it will be the plain text. If you write .html, it means it is the web page. Okay, you are making it web page. Okay, so it is must to write .html after the file name. Save it. Now it is saved. Now open it. Now you can see this is the web page. It is not the text file. It is the web page. You can see icon is changed. Okay. Now open it. Right click on it. Open with Google Chrome. Okay. Now you can see this is the home page. Okay. In this home page you can see volatile memory, virtual memory. It is the linked volatile memory, virtual memory. Okay. If you click on volatile memory, so you will jump to volatile memory. Okay. This is volatile memory. Now you can see the information of volatile memory here. Okay. Now go back If you click on virtual memory, suppose we click on it, so this is the information of virtual memory. Okay, we have jumped in virtual memory. You can see. If you click on volatile memory, so you can jump on volatile memory section. Okay, and if you click on virtual memory, so you will click on virtual memory section. Clear? So this is the internal linking. In internal linking, you will not jump outside the web page. You will remain in same web page. Okay, clear? So this is internal linking. If you like the web page, please share it, subscribe it. Okay, thanks. Bye.